Hey everyone, welcome to this channel. Today I want to talk about how I got this EIZO CG2730 for only 400 euros, and it is brand new. And if you don't know anything about the brand EIZO, I recommend checking them out. They make the best monitors out there. Everything is made in Japan, and they make every single pieces of their monitors except for the LCD in-house. So amazing brand, love them, and this is not sponsored by them. I bought this on my own. So it all started with my friend Camille Froment, who is a professional editor. She works on lots of very prestigious brands like Dior, Chanel, and she does a lot of makeup retouching and also portrait retouching. And she used to have the old EIZO, I think it's the 24 something, I forgot the name for it, but it's a 10 or at least 15-year-old, and she wanted a bigger one. She wanted a 27-inch. So I actually found this on Craigslist, the equivalent of Craigslist in France. I saw it for like, I think it was 1,100 or around 1,000. And I was like, this is a great deal. This cost brand new 1,800, I think, back when this was still in production. So she drove over there with her dad, and it was an hour and a half away. And she texts me when she get there, and I was like, ah, that's not good. So she texted me, she's like, hey Duncan, there's some dead pixels on the monitor. And I was like, crap. So I told her to send me photos, and I couldn't really tell from the photos. I could tell there was a bit dark. It looked like dead pixels to me, because when you have hot pixels, they're still lighting up, just not the right colors, and dead pixels, they're actually dead, they're black. Yeah, she was a bit upset, and she just did not want to get it. She was just, she thought it would be too distracting for her type of work. So I understood, told that I was sorry for the trip, and thank God she tested the monitor before she bought it. She turned it on. I think her dad told her to turn it on. So I contacted the guy because I was the one in touch with him, and I told him, hey, you need to change that in your Craigslist listing, because people need to know that there's a dead pixel. And he's like, yeah, I'll do that. And I saw that he reposted it, and it brought it down to 600 euros. And took my phone, called him, was like, hey, if you do it for 400 euros, I'll come and get it today. And he was like, okay, fine. So took a train. It took me an hour, I think, an hour and a half to get there. I bought it right away. I knew it was still under warranty, and it didn't have that many hours. It had like about 3,000 hours of 3,000 working hours. Brought it home, took a few photos with my micro lens, and this is what it looks like. And I couldn't really tell what it was, so I texted EIZO and contacted them because the monitor was still under warranty. I actually also texted at the same time Fred from EIZO, and I told him, hey, what can I do? So he told me to do a few things just to test it out. They have a few programs that you can test out on their website to see what is wrong with the monitors. And he eventually just told me, you know what, just send it to us. We'll see what's wrong with it. It could be something that is stuck behind the actual LCD, which happens, like a bug or anything, or dust. I was happy using it with or without the dead pixel or this weird blotch of darkness. So someone came to pick one up. They were really nice enough to give me one in return just so I can use it while they were fixing mine. It was the CG2790, which is the X90X, which is one model up. Amazing monitor as well. And I waited 1 month, 2 months, and I got a message back saying, hey, we fixed your monitor. When can we come and bring it to you? So I was really thrilled. I was like, I don't know what they did, but then I brought it home and realized that the LCD, they had replaced the whole LCD. So the monitor was technically brand new. It had 0 hours on it, and I couldn't be happier with EIZO service. And that's what I love about Japanese brand, is that they really are passionate with their product, and they are top notch. And the service, the after service or warranty service is just amazing with them. And I couldn't be more thankful to EIZO France for helping me out fixing this monitor. So in the end, I got a CG2730 for 400 euros, brand new, and been using it for a year now, I think maybe less, and I couldn't be happier with it. It has about 400 or 300 hours on it now, and yeah, that's it, guys. So go and check out this brand EIZO. If you want the best of the best, definitely go check them out. There's no affiliate link at all. I'm not associated with them. I wish I was, but I'm not. And yeah, they just make the best monitors out there. There's no doubt about it. And they're self-calibrating too, which is amazing. Sorry, the bell is ringing off on the street. So anyway, subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and go and check out EIZO FR. They have a YouTube channel where they explain also how to set up your monitor and all that stuff. I'll see you in the next one.